Now that you've registered for our amazing program, you're going to download and install it onto your MT4. You left click on download. You'll see in the lower left corner here. Right click, show in folder. And this is the file we want to extract. We right click, go to extract all. We'll basically unzip it. And here's your unzipped file after we've extracted everything. And this is the file you're going to drag into your MT4. So leave this window open, then go to the next step. And we're going to load it onto our program. So then you go to File, Open Data Folder, click on MQL4, Experts, and now we're going to drag it in. We do that by simply holding down the extracted Amazing Trader file and dragging it into your MQL4 Experts folder, and it's now into your program. So here's the next step. We then shut down our MT4 platform. I just booted it up again, logged in again, and guess what? The Amazing Trader EA program is now in your navigator. You click on Common, Inputs, you put in your username and password. We will explain at a different time how to fill in the rest of the fields. And then you click on the OK button. But before you do that, you have to do one thing. You go to the Tools section. You only have to do this once. You go to Tools, Options, and in the Add URL section, you type in exactly what I'm writing now. https://theamazingtrader.com. Don't put in www. https://theamazingtrader.com. That's going to connect you to our server so we can authorize your access. You hit OK. And at that point, you can go to your Expert Advisor. I made it one step beyond. But then at that point, you go to the Expert Advisor, left click down, put it on, and then you put in your username and password. And after you put on username and password, the program will be running. We're going to give you more details on how to use the program, how to fill in the template, and so forth. But for now, this will get you started with the Amazing Trader. And then stay tuned to your emails, because we're going to have a sequence for the next 14 days that will show you how to use the Amazing Trader. And you're also going to get access to the study guide, which gives you the complete program, strategies to use, etc. But this will have you going. So remember, to give you a brief synopsis, you download the program, extract the files, you go to File, Open Data Folder in MT4, hit on MLQ4, and then Experts. And after you extract the files in the download, you drag that file, the Amazing Trader file, into your MT4. You close down MT4, restart it so it'll recognize the program. You go to Tools, Options, Expert Advisors, and then you add in the add URL, https://theamazingtrader.com, and then you drag your EA from your navigator, the one we just loaded, onto the program, put in your username and password, hit OK, and you're loaded and ready to go, and you only have to do it once. So they said you're going to get more details in the coming days, and look for the Amazing Trader features. It covers everything you need to know about this. But now you're started with the Amazing Trader.